I've seen this happen over and over and over different things. Some people say until my husband starts taking me out to go to dinners and do that, because that's love language is spending quality time. Until I have quality time with my husband, I'm not going to be peaceful. I'm not going to be happy. Then they attach their joy to that, and every time their husband doesn't take them out, they're sad. They destroy the marriage. You destroy your marriage. You cannot do that. What you need to do is tell yourself, all these things that my husband can do is icing on the cake. What is the real cake then? The real cake is my connection with God. Once I have the cake, I'm all right. If the icing comes upon it, then of course it's more beautiful. The better the icing, the better, the more enjoyable. But I'm not going to be frustrated because I don't have the icing, or because my husband doesn't know how to get the icing. Right now, I'm going to just be focused on having a life that's fulfilled, a life that's dependent on God and that's obedient to God. If you can focus on those, what you're going to be doing is you're creating an atmosphere of joy. Then you're also creating a protection over you and your family, because you're connecting properly with God, you're obeying God, and you're going to be hearing God guide you on exactly how to inspire your husband, because He created your husband and He has all the tools to inspire him and transform him in His hands. And so you then are not worried about, what do I say, what do I not say, how do I act, how do I not act. You don't need that. All you need to do is, dear Holy Spirit, what do I do right now? You don't care what it is, what trick, how to control him. You don't need any of those. What you need is sweet relationship with the Holy Spirit. And as you're in that space, you'll begin to see your life begin to impact and inspire your husband. I've seen that in my own life, my own marriage, where my life just, as I grew in God, love God more, I see my wife also wanting to know God more, and she begins to do stuff that inspires me, and I do stuff that inspires her. And we're not trying to force each other. Oh, I used to be at the point where I wanted my wife to do stuff. Oh, don't watch those programs. That's not the way to do it. It doesn't work. It stresses. It makes her think that she's left at home instead of being an adult, a person that can control herself. That she's coming to a home where someone is controlling her. Someone has to force her to do things. When she's old enough, she's gone to university, she's an adult, she's a mother of children, she wants to have her own space. And the more I left her to have her own space, and rather than control the situation, the better the marriage, the stronger we've become.